got our own hurricane. First time in 50 years. Hurricane Ophelia. Hit Ireland.
End of the world! Abandon the country! We're all gonna die! As far as our team were concerned, we'd already sunk!
Belfast emptied. I don't know what it's like up here. Belfast emptied. School children were sent home.
Because it's gonna be very blowy. It's gonna be very windy and blowy. I was sent to school in the 70s during gun battles. My mother sent me out there shooting up the Antrim Road, go down North Queen Street, you'll be fine.
"50 years since the last one meant I was 6. I'm not going to see the next one. So when everybody else ran for cover, in the words of Oscar Wilde, I went out to commune with the elements. I went up the cave hill. I have to wear the wanky glasses because it's hurting my eyes. Right after that, ew, I was blown 10 feet. Do you see when you're lying in the grass, holding on to the grass, trying to remember the words of the Hail Mary? You've made a mistake.